Hi everyone! There's a new restaurant by Pearlridge Center at the old Monterey Bay Canners location. It's called Fuji, Sushi and Teppanyaki. Let's go check it out! This place is a casual yet contemporary Japanese style restaurant. It features two distinct dining options, a sit-down dining area and a teppanyaki style dining area. Fuji Sushi and Teppanyaki has so many choices to choose from. They have hibachi combos, shrimp tempura, fried rice, hand rolls, even steaks, chicken, lobster. They serve miso soup, even clam miso soup. They also have salads such as house salads with avocado, salmon skin salads, sashimi salads, even have poke, tuna tataki, oyster shooters, and uni shooters. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, they also have a sushi bar. So if you'd rather sit at the counter at the sushi bar, be my guest. We started our meal with a nice warm bowl of miso soup, which is a traditional Japanese soup. It was light and mellow, yet flavorful. We found bits of seaweed and tofu in it.
Do you want me to order you? Okay.
After the miso soup, they brought out a crunchy chilled salad with a Japanese version of a Thousand Isle dressing. You could tell the dressing had a hint of sesame taste to it. You know I love salad, so I really enjoyed this. For our mains, Steve and I ordered the hibachi combo, and this was huge.
Hibachi dinner. So I have the calamari shrimp with the salmon, and it comes with yakisoba, some vegetables, shrimp and rice. And Steve got the steak and chicken. So it seems to have the same kind of size, yakisoba, vegetables. Yummy. And this is very large also.
This hibachi dinner is really tasty.
I think it changes because it's like whenever the chef decides to put calamari on that.
I love that. This is the fresh sashimi platter. This was super fresh, nicely chilled, and it had a beautiful bite to it. Yum yum. We found that the sit-down dining area side was much more calm, but check out what's happening at the teppanyaki side, full of action. We had such a fun time at Fuji Sushi and Teppanyaki, so when you're in the Aiea area, come and visit. you'll leave happy and stuffed.